Aïom Khristmas kala sedang menbel air, kinong penyat Skul Sngewnguh Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School Umpling Shillong, haka jengalam sister Julie Lingkoi, swaban sedang kesyuti kila penpau ke Sngewnguh da kabaai kublai Khristmas ya kinohikai, bat ki kena skul ringkat lang ya ki kemiki kepa ki bala nok senyang, haki babon ki liang ya ke skul. Haka arpa kundai tarik unai wing arhaja arpusan, lapen long ya ke pre-Christmas na kebenta banyak kemen lang ringkat ki kena skul Baroh. Lai simpen ta shit raham dagi khana haringkat ke jing pen mit pen biang jong ki noi kai la pen chong shit ru ya kane ke sngi dagi jing roi jing shat babon rukam blai simpen ta na du ki khana nagi kelas beret hadu ki kelas he hakane sngi lawan banya don ringkat lang dau Father John wa lang parish priest ke Umpling, Father Felix Dekar, Sister Angela Kharkongor, Sister Superior, Sister Julie Lingdok Lingkoi, Principal, Sister Helena M. Umlong Vice Principal, kidkot ke Managing Committee jong ke skul lam kiwai pan. Las dangai kene ke jing rakhi kemen da ke Christmas Carol ke bala yat saudong ke madan jong ke skul, haringkat ki jing roi Christmas pas ngau tiang, hadien labut segi program syat pat roi ki basyok Mynsiem. Ai kubor Christmas u Father John wa lang ula ong baka Christmas kadi kapor ban kemen da ka babu hakmat du yo blai bot pat da ka perkhat ya ka jingba ki wei bat khat du ban perkhat ya ladi.
Yes, Christmas is a time of joy, all right? Yes, Christmas is a time of joy. God should be always the center of your life. Then Y stand for you, all right? For all of you. All right, for all of you, and no, O first. O stand for others. Others. So you should place God always at the center, then others, and at the end, Y stand for you. So you and I should be the last. Then only Christmas will be joyful.
Kadrama syapang gajing kayo kulung Jisu kalau long kawai ni ki program baitanat desisya namar bagi kena kila pen iya kasap pan ak drama haka babun ki kena kila saki haka sin ka banikong ban yoi kani ka drama lingkon.
Holy Spirit, she will bear a son and you are to name him Jesus.
Nakaliang sister principal ilkentu ya Baroh ki khana banlong ki nongra ya ka khubor jingman Christmas jaki yeng ki sam bat cha ka imlang sa lang.
And sometimes they write J, then the O, the big O with the baby Jesus inside, and Y. They want to spread the message that during Christmas we have this message to spread to the world that there is joy, there is peace, there is love. Like Father mentioned, J, Jesus. O, others. That means when we look at others, we see Jesus. I just mentioned the O always is, they place the baby Jesus inside. That means we look at each other. There is a Jesus inside. Then comes to me. That means I'm also including the you means me. I have Jesus. Thank you, everyone.
Hakane gaski la sami gijing ai sngoba ya Baroh ki noi kai bat ki badan banta ban penong ya kini gasngi kabadap da gijing kimen pura.
To clap for our teachers. Come forward.
Sister.
Banpun kopi ini gasngi ban penong susu ini da gijing sam jingba ya Baroh.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.